Students, today we are going to discuss with third normal form. Yeah, what second normal form says? Yeah, the relation should be in 1NF, and second condition, no non-prime attribute is partially dependent on key. Here, in third normal form, the first condition is the relation should be in 2NF. Second condition, no non-prime attribute is transitively dependent on key. Consider the relation R of ABC with A as the candidate key. And given two functional dependencies, A functionally determines B and B functionally determines C. What are the non-prime attributes here? Both B and C are non-prime attribute. A is the only prime attribute here, right? So here the non-prime attribute C is dependent on the prime attribute A transitively. So we have to avoid it. How to avoid it? We can form a new relation with B and C and another relation with A and B. So A functionally determines C can be inferred transitively. So conversion to third normal form. R1, the relation R1 with AB with A as the candidate key. Second relation R2 with BC where B as the candidate key. I think all of you clear. It's clear. Next, the relation R of x, y, z, w with functional dependencies x to y, y to w. Given that x is the candidate key, find the highest normal form and find the next highest normal form. Assuming that all the attributes are atomic. So we can say the relation are in 1NF. Is there any partial dependency here? Here X is the candidate key. If a single attribute is a candidate key, then there is no possibility for a partial key. So there is no partial dependency here. So we can say that the relation is in 2NF also. Is it in 3NF? How to find? Is there any transitive dependencies present? Y, Z, W. Three attributes are non-prime attribute. Is there any transitive dependency? Yes. X can infer W transitively. So the relation is not in 3NF. How to convert? Yeah, we can put YW to another relation. So the first relation R1 contains XWZ with X as the key and the second relation YW with Y as the key. So we can see one more problem. Consider the relation R of A, B, C, D, E and the set F is equal to AB to CE, E to AB, C to D. What is the highest normal form? First of all, we can decompose the right hand side. Decompose some of the functional dependencies. AB to CE can be written as AB to C and AB to E. E to AB can be written as E to A and E to B. C to D no need to decompose C to D. So what is the candidate key here? Yeah, AB closure is a candidate key. AB closure contains all the attributes. E closure contains all the attributes. So both AB and E are candidate keys. Here AB to CE is a full dependency. E to AB is again a full dependency. C to D, it is also a full dependency. Why? Both C and D are non-prime attribute. Is there any transitive dependency present? Yes, AB can infer D transitively since the presence of AB to C and AB to C to D. So AB can functionally min D transitively. So the relation is not in 3NF. Highest normal form is 2NF. How to decompose it? We can decompose the C, we can put CD in one relation, that is R2. The R1 relation contains A, B, C, E with both A, B and E as the primary keys or candidate keys. Both A, B and E are the keys. One more example, consider the relation X of R of XY is a W and a set Y is equal to YW, W to Y, XY to Z. What are the candidate keys? What is the highest normal form? Here, XY, both XY and XW are candidate keys. So, XY closure and XW closure contains all the attributes. Y to W, is it a partial or full dependency? XY and XW, what are the prime attributes? X, Y and X, Y and W. Only non-prime attribute is Z. So Y to W and W to Y is full dependency. Full dependency. Only non-prime attribute is Z. X, Y to Z is again full dependency. There is no, is there any transitive dependency present? X to, no. So the highest normal form is 3NF.